Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Mujahid Hussain with new video lecture. As you know, due to COVID-19 classes are suspended. So for your convenience I am making videos as you could learn at your home. Dear students, in my previous lecture I gave a brief introduction about MS Excel charts and their different types. And now in this video lecture I will teach you that how can we create a simple chart in MS Excel. Dear students, for that I am making a timetable in which we need different columns like teacher and the working days in a week and the total lectures which are conducted in a week. After that we will also count the total lectures which are conducted on a Monday, Tuesday and so on, and in last we will find out the total number of lectures which are conducted in a week by different teachers. And so for that I have entered the dummy data in which Mr. Zain conducting 3 on Monday, 4 classes on Tuesday, 2 on Wednesday, 2 Thursday, 1 Friday, 2 Saturday. So now I want the total number of classes which are conducted by Mr. Zain in a week. So simply write sum and then drag the days which you want to add, sum up. So I want to see the total classes in a week conducted by Mr. Zain. So see 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2 and then just over the bracket and press enter, then you will find out the total number of classes which are conducted by Mr. Zain in a week. Like that, now I want to see Mr. Saddam, Mr. Asad, Mr. Amjad and Mr. Kamran's class in a week, how many classes they have conducted in a week. So how many classes or how many lectures which are conducted by them in a week. So simply drag this one till the end. So drag this one till the end. Now see, you can find out here the total number of lectures which are conducted by different teachers. And now I want to see the total classes which are conducted on a Monday by different teachers. So simply write equal and write sum and then drag the total number of rows or a column which is available and then over the bracket and press enter. Now you can see the total number of classes which are conducted on a Monday is 16. Simply I want to see on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So now drag this one till the end. Now you can see the total number of classes which are conducted in a week is 94 by different teachers. Now we have numerically data is present here, and now we want to see it graphically represented data. That for that one, just what we will do, just hold the Alt key and then press F1. Then see, this is before doing this you have to hold the data and press Alt plus F1 key, and then you will find out the recommended chart which is suitable with your data. So hold here at the corner, otherwise your data will be misplaced. Now you can see here is chart is available. So now I am going to rename this chart title as timetable, and now zoom in and then see the total number of classes which are conducted on a Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and the different colors which are available are indicated the different teachers. You can see here that Mr. Zain, Mr. Saddam, Mr. Asad, Mr. Amjad, Mr. Kamran and Mr. Saud, and the total number of classes. If you want to change the color, then come here and press this one, and then you will find out the different colors, and the different layouts are also available in design. You can press any one and then see the total number of classes in a week. And you can also switch the rows into column and columns into rows. So after this one, you can also go through quick layout. This is a quick layout of timetable, and you can also go through one, and then you can create a chart. This is a very simple chart you can create in a very quick way. Just you have to follow the instructions, you have to follow this video, and then you will know that how can we create a chart in MS Excel. So for today, this is this video, you have to create a simple column, and we can say also this is a column chart. For next video, stay tuned, and if there is a query regarding this chart or this simple chart, so you can ask, you can comment, and stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.